Good morning. Today I am off shopping and I thought you could come with me. I absolutely hate shopping. I don't think I've had like an actual shopping day in a really long time actually. I used to love shopping, didn't we all? I have a wedding in a month tomorrow, so I need to find a dress for it. And so I just want to go in and like try things on. I kind of have a rough idea as to what I want, but I feel like I might as well just go in instead of like ordering loads and loads of stuff. Today is a teacher strike day, so Michael's coming with me this morning, and then I think he's going to go home. Then I'm going to do a little bit of shopping by myself, and then my cousin, who's a teacher, is coming to meet me after. She's been asking me to go shopping with her for a while, but because I hate shopping, I keep saying no. I am going to a wedding in Portugal, and I find that the dress code in Portugal is very different to here in the UK. In the UK, it's very acceptable to wear like floral dresses, something that you'd wear, that I would personally wear on an everyday basis. I don't have any dresses down here, but just with a pair of heels, totally normal. In Portugal, I would say the dress code is more cocktail, so not really floral dresses. And I really want to try on some dresses that are inspired by my seasonal colour analysis. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it down below. I want to try on like pinks, blues, reds. Those are probably my three colours that I'm looking for the most, and probably even more so pink and red more than blue, I would say. I'm going to Westfield in Stratford, and there's kind of a few shops that I really want to go to. Annoyingly, some of the dresses that I really want to try on in like River Island are online only, but I feel like I'm going to get a good idea. If there's nothing I really love, then I'm going to order a few more dresses online. Yeah, I'm just wearing like some comfy clothes because I need to get dressed quickly. So I'm wearing my Birkenstocks, and like honestly my outfit doesn't even really make sense, but today is just about finding a dress to wear. And then I might look at a few other bits, but honestly I'm not really expecting to buy anything today, not even a dress for the wedding, because I really just want to go in and see what I like, and then maybe I'll buy it. I was also going to take a strapless bra, and I was going to take some Spanx, but I'm not going to. We're just going to have to pretend that you can't see the straps on my bra, which with some of the dresses I know for a fact you will obviously be able to see them. But let's go, because I feel like I'm already running a little bit late.
Mike and I got the train to Westfield Stratford, and the minute we got there it was just so busy I regretted it straight away. Mike got lots of new stuff in Uniqlo, and we had a burrito for lunch, which I probably shouldn't have had before trying on a dress. First stop, River Island. They had lots of beautiful dresses online, nothing in store. This one's nice but not for me and not right for the occasion. Zara, the sale, massive regret. Beautiful dresses, but I didn't even get to try them on because the queue for the changing room was crazy. I popped into Mango, and this pink dress I like, but not amazing. And then this dress, this green one, was really popular on my Instagram, but I just don't really feel like it's very me. It has an open back, so it wouldn't offer me any support, so not right for me. This one I think was like Reese or something like that, way too boobyish. And then we went to House of CB. Their dresses aren't cheap, and I just didn't really have a great experience in there. This red dress though, love it, but just not really wedding appropriate in my opinion. This one I also love, but you can really see my belly in it, so unfortunately not for me. And then this one just was way too boobyish. This one is TK Maxx, but the sizing was all off and just not right for me, but I do like the colour. Then I almost didn't go into quiz, but it actually kind of surprised me if I'm honest. I really like this dress, but it's too short and too small for me. This one I also think is quite nice, and this one I like, but it makes me look very top heavy. All in all, nothing really wowed me, so I had to go back for day 2 of shopping. Thrilled about that.
Good morning. I am using my like huge DSLR today because I can't find my little camera. I'm gonna double check, but at the moment I can't find it. It's day 2 in my quest of finding a dress for this wedding. Last time it just didn't work out, like you just saw. There was some like, if push came to shove, there is a couple that I could probably wear. Push hasn't currently come to shove yet, so I'm going to go try and look for some more dresses. Abercrombie and Fitch seem to have some decent ones. Sorry, this camera is really heavy. Seem to have some nice ones, but I don't think they'll have them in store. And again, Lipsy at Next seem to have some nice ones. Whether they have them in store, I don't know. But then I'm also going for a facial, so come along with me. So I found my camera, and today I'm wearing a little silver necklace because for those of you that saw my colour consultation, they said that I should wear silver. I mean, I am still wearing a gold watch, but this is like silver and gold. This is jewel tone. And I think, at least for now, I'm going to move towards jewel tone, but I've got no makeup on because I feel like going to get a facial, what's the point? I'm only going shopping beforehand. And I also have a pair of M&S trousers to try and return because they literally shredded in like 4 wears. Absolutely not normal. Like, yes, sometimes trousers rip at the thighs, but usually it takes me a couple of years for that to happen, of like very regular wear. It's not usually a 4-day thing, so I feel like they really should replace it. Fingers crossed. Not replace it, I just want a refund, because the thing is that's just going to happen with the next pair.
So here I am in Next. It was on sale. I found nothing. Unexpectedly, I popped into Anthropology and they had some really beautiful dresses, to be honest. I'm trying on 2. The sizing, though, I think was a bit off. Everything came out a bit big. This is a medium and I think it's a bit big for me. I would happily wear this dress in a smaller size, but I just felt like the material wasn't quite right. And then this one I just tried on for the sake of it. I like it. It's a small, but it's just not, again, quite right, but I do really love it. And then I popped into Abercrombie & Fitch and I love this dress. I don't think this is the one, but it's close to being the one. And then I think this one may be the one. I'm obviously going to wear some Spanx with it, but I just feel good in this dress. I like the colour. It is a little bit big on my waist. And I didn't buy it, but I really regret not buying it. I think I might go back. I might try on the small. I think the small is going to be way too small for me, but I might give it a go anyway. I have ordered another dress from elsewhere. We'll see how that one works out. I was invited in by Hydrafacial for their JLo facial. I love a Hydrafacial. This JLo one is a tightening, brightening and hydrating facial which uses olive leaf extract and niacinamide. They extract and unclog pores whilst hydrating. It's not painful at all and I always think my skin looks incredible after it. And this time was no different. I think my skin looked maybe the best it's looked. Editing Sabrina here. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I had no idea it was going to be this short. I was kind of oohing and ahhing as to whether I should bother uploading it, but I'm uploading it anyway. I hope you enjoyed it. Do let me know what you'd like to see next. Let me know which dress you think I should buy, and I will see you next Thursday. Bye.